can't wait to see what everyone does.
No, mommy.
No. I want to do multiple, if that's alright. Hi guys! Hi! Hi gals! I love all of them! No, it's too much. I need to design multiple cases.
I know, me too.
I don't know what to do. I don't think I can.
I think I'm gonna do 3.
Okay,
Because this on the top of the case would be really cute.
I'm gonna do 2.
Okay.
Say happy holidays.
Holidays on 3. 1, 2, 3. Holidays! 2.
Because I want to do a Christmas one, but also just like a cute one.
I'm going Wildflower. Yeah, we're letting it rip.
We're gonna hold it super straight just above the paper, and I'm gonna stay in the same spot and squeeze.
Uh-oh. Why am I kind of bad at this?
No, you're not.
He's good. Thank you.
Yeah.
Luke, yours is so good.
Yeah.
But then is this how you stick everything to it?
And blue, so you can do like a little dollop, I guess.
Okay.
How are you so good at this?
No, you got it. You got it.
I'm like scared to start. Here goes nothing.
You got it, baby.
So he's gonna be so good at this.
Did you die?
Am I insane for doing the border? Am I allowed?
No.
Is it gonna dry weird? Where's our queen?
Look at these heels. I'm having so much fun.
These are all shoes. I want to ask her. It's really hard. I want to ask her. Like I was failing my class.
We're gonna need to take a photo of it with that.
I know. We have to. Can you believe this?
It's so perfect. It's like
This is the best day ever. I can't believe we're here. Finally.
Me too.
Finally at the famous Pink Room.
Whoa.
Zoom in on that. Zoom in.
Oh my god! I have to take a photo. Ross, it's literally
Do you pick a doctor?
Yeah, you know.
Okay, see, like it's. Oh!
I can grab you.
Doing my head. Are you sure it's just? I changed my mind.
Hi, Wildflower, you too.
Yeah, you're just eating, girl.
You think that's like gonna be cute?
You know.
You want to do one?
Oh my god. See that? I wanna make Kelly sad.
No,
To get the bear. Oh, the angel wing. You're doing 2 at once. You're kind of crazy.
Surgery.
I'm just gonna continue until it's taken away.
We're here for round 2. I'm gonna try and just be a little random. Ooh, boba.
I know. I'm gonna do a Christmas one.
Nice! What if I did like cakes? Yeah, that's cute. I want ice cream. Oh my gosh. Count me in. I'm gonna do my holiday one next. Thank you. Holy shit.
It's ice cream.
Oh my gosh.
You think I should do a smaller thing?
It's honestly gorgeous.
Which one? Hello Kitty. It's a Miffy Christmas.
This one's better than my other. We can all agree. Trying to get the good colors. You did a real good job. It's so good.
Thank you.